What the heck? What the heck? I forgot. I remember I unplugged my microphone because the light sometimes stays on in the middle of the night, and it literally lights up my whole entire room. Oh my god! I started the stream off on a 10 out of 10, and you guys didn't even get to hear it. But what's good, everybody? It's Mr. Crayfish. What's good? Oh, what's good, everybody? What's good? Today we're working on something a little bit special. As you know, it's a mystery mod development. You don't know what we're working on. That's the whole idea of these live streams. But what we are working on is a computer craft app. Now, I've actually never played with this mod, and I think that's one of the struggles, is I actually don't know how a lot of it's, like, maybe I can figure out how it works, but I don't know how it's used. So that's why it's kind of a little bit difficult for me to create this add-on, because I don't know how the app, like the mod, is used. Like, how would you normally use it? So if you guys got any tips on how it's used, do let me know. But I'm going to show you what I've got going on so far, because it's a lot of hackery. It's a lot of hackery for this to work. So, like, over here we have a computer, right? We have a computer. That's pretty good, eh? And then here we have a laptop. And pretty much I've already added in an initial app here, but you can already, like, access that actual computer there. So you can access that computer, and you can actually, you know, do legit stuff. It's still not completely ready yet. I don't even know half, like, what you can do. To be honest, I don't even know what you can do. Help. Let's do help programming. To create programs, use edit to create files. To terminate a program stuck in a loop, hold Control T for 1 second. Alright. Edit. Oh. Jeez. Oh, wow. Google Computer Craft Star Wars story? Maybe. Oh, it's just a CMD prompt. It's not Bloxy Way. It's computer craft. You can write programs to do stuff. You can write programs to display stuff on a screen. I don't know, but, like, people use it. It's a very popular mod. It is a mod that allows you to use programs with other mods like Draconic Evolution that allows you to monitor certain block states and other things. So, like, what I want to do is potentially make this computer craft console bigger. Maybe make it like a full screen thing. Because we can do that, kind of. We just gotta be careful, because it works differently to how... Yeah. It works weird. I have a lot of AP homework RN, and it's 5, so I should be doing it, but this is much better. Logan, don't get too distracted by me, dude. Go do your homework if you have to do it. For some reason, when I boot up my add-on, not extra ons, my icon or app won't show up. I'm not sure, you're not registering it. See, Mr. Crayfish can't say, not sure how much data I have. That's alright, Coffee. Thanks for coming along, though. Oh, wow. So, I don't know Lua, but let's just go ahead. If we go Lua, basics. I'm gonna do Hello World. Oh my god. It's literally print. Hello World, because it's Crayfish. Hello World. How do I save? Yeah. Save to cheese.lua. Oh, dang. Now, how do I exit? Oh. How do I actually exit this thing? I don't know how to how do I exit the file? How do I exit the file and actually run it? How do I actually run it? So what you're developing since the CC app is pretty much done. It's not done yet. What I'm going to be adding in, because like it doesn't actually work properly yet. Jeez, I'm going to show it anyway. Let's have a look. How do I exit this? Press Control. How do I exit it? Oh! Yeah, okay, there we go. Figured it out. Now, how do I run it? How do I run this? Paste bin run. What's this? Hold up. Hold up, paste bin. Apparently there's a... Hold up. I gotta look at this. Wait, what is this? What even is that? Make file. Okay, apparently we're gonna try this out. Are we gonna have an operating system in an operating system? How do I actually run my program though? Or is it like run? How do I run my actual program? I want to do that first and then I will. Maybe it's like cheesed up. Ah! That's how you do it. Oh, there we go. Apparently this. Okay, here we go. Installing virus! Installing virus! Rebooting computer. Hold up. Installed virus. What's supposed to happen? What's supposed to happen? It's not starting up now, the computer. Can you make it full screen? Hold on, let me make probably make the window bigger. And then I can go like this. How do I make it bigger? You broke it? I didn't do anything. It's supposed to run in OS. Well, it's not even running in the normal here. Unless the window's not big enough. Hold up. Let me try it again. Let me try it on a different computer. Because... doesn't work. I haven't done anything. I haven't touched anything. Yeah, I'll think I do stuff. But... yeah, I don't think it works. Because this thing does not turn on. Look, it's not even turning on. Give me an OS that works, maybe. Alright, let's just do something else. Alright, let's destroy it. Let's place a new computer down. Alright. Let's try this one. It's so like confusing when you do like this. This program will install Veroid OS on your PC. Your files may be deleted. If you want to continue, press next. Like, does that mean files on the actual... It means the files on the actual computer craft. It's so confusing. How do I... How does that work? How do I navigate that? How do I navigate it? No, close Minecraft. God damn it. Why would I have to close Minecraft to not install it? Why would I have to close and reinstall it? Just try it. How do I... But I can't press next. You should press next. I can't press next, apparently, on that. Why would I have to reinstall? Why would I have to reopen Minecraft? Have you even used this mod before? Try using arrow keys and enter. It doesn't work. It's like literally frozen. Oh, let me try it on something else. Let's try it again. Yeah, it does. My arrow keys aren't working. It's not working. This is not using the API or anything. This is literally just not running. Is there any like ones that actually work? Alright, Diamond OS beta. Or OS. Alright, let me try a different one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cool. Broken OS. Exit, it will delete your world. Yeah, Pocket, I'm not listening to your advice anymore. Cactus OS. Restart MC. Why would I have to restart it? This is Lua. Zip OS. Try this one. MOS failed to boot. Computer does not support color. Maybe we need an advanced computer. Ah. This is what I need. Ah. No such program. Ah. Maybe that's why it wasn't working. Because none of them told you which one to actually use it on. Where's that thing from before? And here we go. Oops. Yeah, none of these work. Can someone get me something that actually works? Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Let's put that in. This one apparently is good. Welcome to Omni OS. Ah. Alright, this is legit. I'm gonna guess the latest one. Yes. What? How come half of these are broken? $86. Maybe a different version of it. Maybe try a different version. Maybe like 1.0. 1.1. Why does it keep like breaking? Alright, apparently just press Y. It doesn't do anything if I just press Y. I'm not typing anything. Why is everything breaking? Is it actually something that like legit works? Oopsie. Why was there a question mark? Why are like all of them broken? Ah, here we go. Log in. Ah. Okay, what applications we got? Oh, well. A lot of them are broken. Don't forget exit. Settings. Color. Text color. Oh my god. Let's change to gold. Account. Yeah, a lot of these are broken. A lot of these things are broken. Let's see if this actually works on here now. Kind of works. Hold up, maybe boot, shut down. Ah, there we go. We had to reset the actual thing for it to work. Yeah. The problem is that because I'm resizing this the terminal, a lot of things break because they are based on the default. They're based on the default terminal. Like, all this works, just... Yeah, it's kind of missing some stuff. Alright. Well, whatever. Some of these are broken, some aren't. It's kind of strange a little bit. I guess a lot of them don't consider different size windows because they normally don't have to do that. Cray, can I help with servers? I won't do anything bad, and nah. Jackson. Jackson. Everybody wants to help on the servers. We just can't let everybody on. If anybody is a good interior designer, send pictures of what you can do. We need interior designers for the PUBG server. Not just I built a stair. Like, if you're actually genuinely good at building interiors, let send us some images of the stuff you've built. Not just random stuff you've seen on tutorials, something that you can build off your own mind. Something you can build off your own mind. Alright, I think we can, yeah, we can still access that. Okay. Alright, so let's work on more of the actual, you know, working like on something actually useful. So the problem that we have right now is that there is currently a slight bug. So if we actually go to this laptop here, you'll see if we try to open the app, it's going to close instantly, and that is because of this bit of code. This bit of code. Let's have a look. Set container. Inside a container here, this can interact with. So if we go check if this is usable, you'll see that it's checking the range. Get interact range. Pretty much, I think 8 blocks. I think it's 8 blocks or something like that. So the thing we need to do is write a container that extends this, because if we have a look in, because like this is very deep, very deep. Let's have a look here. I contain a computer. I'm guessing that container. Okay, yeah. Okay, we just need to make an extension to this. Glad they didn't put that as final. Let's create a new. Let's call it. Let's create an object package or whatever. New Java class. Container. Remote computer. Extends container computer. Create constructor. Let's say is useful. Oopsie, can interact with. And then we're gonna say true. Whoops. Contanta. I'm gonna play on the full mansion. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be releasing the full world. If you have any pictures you would like to show Cray for CubG, send them to me. Yeah, send them to Jackson and then I'll oversee them as well. So only if you're actually a good interior designer. Don't send it if you feel like, don't be like, I feel like I'm good. You actually gotta know you're good. And don't just send them as well if you don't send us stuff only if your intention is I want to get on the server. Like your intention should be I want to help Crayfish out. I actually want to help make this map good. I'm not like, you shouldn't be like, I'm wanting to get on this server just so I can hang with Cray. I actually want to, you know, contribute to this project and be a good part of the team. Like, we want somebody to be a part. We want someone to help out with building. I'm just being straight up. Because we want serious people, not people that are gonna just do nothing. Alright, so this is all we have to do here, right? So this is kind of hacking. We are no, it's not hacking, but like, it's kind of hacking the game. So here we do computer, container remote, like that. Right. And then we're gonna restart the game here. RJ Rock, we've looked at your application, unfortunately, and we're not accepting it. because you didn't send us any pictures of interiors. You sent us videos of you redesigning already designed buildings. Just being straight up. Like, we need explicitly pictures of your work, screenshots of interiors that you've done. Oopsie, hold up. Alright, hold up 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, all good. Another modular thing is OpenBlox computers. It has an extension for light, security printing, 3D printing with an extension and chisel bits. Okay. I hate that this resolution's so small. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa. Alright, let's see what happens here. Hold on. Let's see what happens. So basically, previously we weren't able to access it, but now we should. Yay, there we go. So we hacked it, and now we can actually access the tile entity from far away, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Now, how communication is going to work is again through routers. Now, how do we actually connect my routers up to ComputerCraft terminals? ComputerCraft terminals. Well, it's going to be through basically a communicator block. So basically what the whole process is would be, okay, so this is laptop, router, and then not that this is going to be it, but this is just a placeholder. So communication block, and then the communication block connects to that. So that's kind of the whole process of connecting the laptop, which is going to be the process of connecting the laptop up to a ComputerCraft terminal. You could essentially call this kind of like a driver. Almost. You could almost call it a driver, because it basically hooks these things together. Almost. Because, like, it's impossible to, like... I mean, I can write a system for it, but, like, I'd rather just write, like, this communicator block. So, it's gonna be pretty easy to be able to do this. So this would connect to that, and this can connect to many as well, so you'd be able to have, like, you know, another terminal over here and connect that up, because I want you to be able to manage multiple instances of it. It's kind of funny. It's like you can have like an OS on here, right? You can have an OS on here while in an OS. It's kind of silly, but I think it would be good for like just like everything else. But what do you guys think? Are you guys like big users of ComputerCraft, or you guys used ComputerCraft before? It's a VM. Yeah, it's basically a virtual machine. Yeah. What do you guys think? Are you guys big users of ComputerCraft? Would you use this? Would you use this setup? For example, I think like there's already ways to do it, but I don't know. But like, imagine if you're on your laptop here and you can like communicate with all your different computers from like the same thing. Yep, I've used it a lot. Yep, it's very useful. I I still do. I use the code Lua and making operating systems. I like computer graph because it allows player to learn programming and how to use technologies. But do you like the idea, like, you'll be able to manage multiple computers from the one laptop? Like, that to me sounds like a pretty good deal, because I'm not sure if you can do it in... You might be able to do it already. Wait, what's this? Wireless modem. Oh, maybe there is stuff like remote access, I don't know. Printer? Disk drive? Yeah, I don't know how half the stuff works, by the way. Wait, what's a networking cable? What's this? What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is, eh? Oh, that's kind of like wireless pocket computer. Oh, this is like... Literally... I think you might be able to bind this maybe to computers. I don't know. That's almost all RF cables work. How's this networking cable work? I could see that being fairly useful. Okay. Basic cable that can connect multiple computers together with a wired modem. Oh, wired. Ah! Ah, that makes sense now. Wait, how's it? Oh, I'm guessing probably like this. I'm guessing like this. I'm guessing like that. I mean, it's gave me a message. Gave me a message. Alright, I've got this working. So, I was just wondering if there would be a way to actually use that as a way to connect to the actual communicator block, but I don't know if internally, if you go block, let's just say tile entity modem, modem peripheral. I don't know if that works. Unless I can make like a computer access. What's this? Mount. Yeah, it's a bit confusing. I don't think I want to make a computer, maybe not. I don't know. It feels weird to watch Mr. Cavers try to figure out a mod you completely figured out years ago. It's because I haven't really played with tech mods, to be honest. I've never been like the biggest person of it. But I'm interested in it. I'm interested in it. Mr. Cavers, why the light mod not working? Well, that doesn't give me any helpful information on how I can help resolve it for you. If anybody says something's not working, send me a crash report. Send me what you see. I don't know what the problem is. I created a whole city with full interior. Well, if you think your interior is good, send us images. I could not care what buildings you've built. Send me your interiors. I've been using CC since I learned Lua because I learned Lua from it. Okay. Cray, the computer apps developer, know about this? Not really. But I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I'm pretty sure. It's not like, it doesn't, it's not, I'm not writing any code, like I'm writing my own code. I'm writing my own code for this to work, by the way. I'm literally just referencing the jar file. Yeah, but I'll probably let him know. I'll probably let him know that I'm making something like this. Maybe we'll just make it just links up to this. I think that would be the best way. Like, it'd be good if there was like a wireless way, but I don't think these network cables are compatible. That's my only thing. I'm guessing the wireless modem is like right-clicking on it. Hold up. What's half this stuff? Printed pages. Yeah, I don't know how it works. Maybe you have to access it through the actual thing. That's my kind of guess. When you try to load up the mod, it's saying we need device mod 3.1. Yeah, make sure you download the newest update. I did publish it, so go to my website and get the latest update. Because it fixed like a bug with being able to find devices on a network, which is really annoying. See you again. You have to go to my... I think I did submit it to the actual CurseForge, so you probably can get it from CurseForge now. So yeah, the wired options are not a thing. So what we need to do is develop a communicator block. We should also probably... yeah, we need to work on some like... Because I think we need to write our own implementation of the terminal. Because right now, I'm like, this is how I've hacked it, guys. This is how I've hacked the terminal, and it's been pretty simple. So I've created a terminal component, so obviously extends component from my mod, right? And then we're doing something very similar to how they do it. So we've got the left top, obviously. Then we put in a tile into a tile computer. We do a bunch of this stuff. But if you can see here, we've just got all this stuff calling the actual method. So mouse clicked to the terminal. We're drawing it here. Drawing the terminal. So it works pretty well. Alright. Send me the pictures. Oh, I'm just going to open our window. I mean blinds. I've been like having I've been having like twitches with my eye. And it's to do with me being on the computer and getting bad sleep. So, and I'm like, I want to get some nice looking computer glasses. Like, I've got a pair, but they're not nice looking, so I want to get some nice looking computer glasses that I can wear all the time. To these lives, or when I'm using the computer, because it's really not working well. Like, it's this eye here, which is the problem. Let's see. Hold up. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm back. Yeah, I've got to get some computer glasses. Oh, show. Why does it look like you mirror your face cam? I did. Because if I did it the other way around, I'd be looking that way, and it wouldn't make sense. I need to, like, my face needs to be looking at the code visually for the stream. Otherwise, it just looks weird. Because I would get the comment, why are you looking away in your stream? So I'd be literally getting the opposite comment, Austin. Because everybody would be complaining. Everybody would be literally complaining. Also, maybe some nice contact lenses. I don't need contact lenses. My eyes aren't bad. I need some, like, blue light glasses. I need blue light glasses. Because that's what it is. Alright, so the thing we have a problem with is, let's have a look. I think it's like, handle keyboard input, handle mouse input. Like here, right? We've got like this here. Scrolling, because scrolling does not work. Oh my god, creeper, get out of here. I don't think scrolling works on here. Yeah, so as you can see, I can't scroll on here. Is that actually being called? Oh, how come that stuff's not being called? Oh. Oh, whoopsie. Handle, mouse input. Mouse X, mouse Y. My bad. Where's it get to? Doesn't get to there, apparently. Doesn't get to there. Where's it not getting to? And computer is color. Oh. Maybe it's not a computer, it's not a color computer. Ah. Well, that could make sense. We have an issue with that as well. Ah. What is that? Yeah, I gotta figure out this because there's a lot of issues. Where's the X position get set? I'm pretty sure it will work if I do it like... Yeah, I don't know. Does it get to here? Alright, it does get to here. Oh, is working? Why doesn't it? So what it's supposed to do is... Oh my god. Okay, apparently this doesn't even scroll. How do you scroll stuff? Oh. What did I do? How did I do that? Did that do that on there now? Whoops. Huh. How come the rotating, you need to use the up and down keys to scroll? How do you do that then? How do you scroll it? Apparently this is all the way down here. Alright, this doesn't resize correctly. Like I can probably fit... I don't know if I can fit that on it. Replace an advanced computer. Like the up and down arrows doesn't work. Up and down arrows don't work. Yo, all the up and down arrows do is bring up history. It's only if you're editing a program. Well, sick, thank you. Let's go edit cheese. Ah, there we go. I'm guessing scrolling is only if you need scrolling. You kind of have to support it, I guess. Cool one. No such program. Print hello. Print hello. Maybe point. Alright, so I don't like it's hard to know if it actually works. There's like even dragging as well. And all these are done within one method, which is kind of annoying. It's not like separated. So somehow I've got to make it work. Alright. So let's work on this communicator block. Block. Anyone want to create a cool texture that matches the theme of it? Anyone want to create a cool texture that matches the theme of computer craft? Block communicator extends block. What type of material is it? Material dark. I just had deja vu like this mod wasn't gonna work in the end, so I'm very scared now for some reason. Go into edit and do edit crayfish and then print I love cheese and crackers. I already know how to do that. To accept lure on term you have to print lure. Oh. This is an interactive lure prompt. To run a lure program, just type its name. It has to be a program, I think. Communicator. Alright. Maybe we can do this dot set creative tabs. What is the creative tab for? Computer craft. Where's your block turtle? Set creative tab. Ah, secure. Secure. There we go. Secure. We also have to do required up to CDM. How do I do multiple? What is that called again? Required after. Let's have a look. Versioning. Everyone here, we in general don't need any more builders for the current CubG map. Everybody just wants to get on the server. Hold up. What should I see? What is this? Maven. I know, I forgot what it was. I need to like make it required after. I'm gonna guess like this here. Computer craft. So computer craft. I don't know what version though. Because it's hard to say. Let's have a look at the latest 1.12 version. Because it has to be like the 1.12 version of the mod. Computer craft. Go files. So it looks like the 1.12 version is eek. So it looks like, I don't know how to required after. How does that even work? Like, does that even legit work? 1.80 PR1. Like, will that even pass that? Let's see. But we do need interior builders. Alright, let's see if this... I mean, it worked. I guess. So let's just like assume that maybe we got PR2, which is not real. There's no such thing yet. But let's see if it actually tells us that, you know, there's a bit of a problem. Let's see if it tells us that there's a problem. Okay, no. Apparently it's an issue. What is this, like... Forge... Oh, I did it wrong. So it's like this. Required after. You just gotta write it again. Okay, let's see if that works. This is what you want. Ah, whoopsie. Required after. Hopefully this works. Alright, there we go. So we can actually put it back to PR1 now. No, you. Oh! No, you. The best comeback. The best comeback to anything. No, you. No, you. No, you. Alright. So we've got that working. Block communicator. Who's gonna design my textures? Who's gonna design my textures? Let's see if there's actually any textures. I'ma have to do it. I'ma do it. So state. We just need a horizontal thing. Properties. Oh, that's not a bad way to do that actually. Putting it inside of a class. Techie, send all your pictures that all the textures you've worked on in your life. Send me all. Did Jackson leave already? I don't know. I worked on too many. Oh well. Guess you can't send it then. 26 watching. I'm not opening my DMs. It's called post it in the friggin' Discord channels. Alright, so I need to do like a create block state. New block state container. This facing. Do they do that in other mods? I always feel like okay, yeah. Get meta from state, state.get value facing. Get horizontal index, return this get default state with property facing. Enum facing. Get horizontal meta. Alright. Can you make if flossing was in Minecraft 3? Maybe. I might do it. Alright. So block communicator. Now I want to make it so I want to make it look actual computer craft themed. Need to have has tile entity true. Create tile entity. That is a pretty serious app if you ask me. Pretty serious app. Tile entity. New package. Tile entity. Game register or register tile entity. Communicator, alright. We've also got a register block, so we're going to have to create a pre-initialization event. Pre-init. Alrighty. Can you make a Fortnite dance mod? Yeah, I should. I want to release the floss mod. The flossing mod. The flossing mod. So you guys can floss. We're gonna add the flossing mod to PUBG as well. Cause we need that salt. We need that salt. There was a really good I forgot what it was. I don't know if he's here, but there's a guy called DW Games who he's pretty good at PUBG. Pretty good at PUBG. But I beat him one round. Are you going to GDC? What's that? What is GDC? Someone explain for the Cray. Hey, get out of here. Get. So what I'm thinking, right? Maybe we can create something that utilizes like it'll be kind of like this, but it'll have one of these things on top. I think that'll look cool. Have one of these things on top of it. What do you guys think? Like as a communicator block. And it'll kind of be like themed like a computer craft in a way. How expensive are these things to create? BT dubs. BT dubs. Computer. Advanced monitor. Where is that? Are they not that? They're not that expensive, are they? Are computers expensive? Computer craft. Recipes. Let's have a look. I've heard. Well, I didn't even know about that. Alright, computers are cheap as heck. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. So we can say a computer and a wireless modem together can make a communicator. Alright, whatever. I need to extract. I need to extract the textures from Computer Craft. I need to extract them. Oh. Thing didn't load. Ripperonis. Ripperonis. Uh-oh. Can you make the worst mod which can be hard-coded? How to install the light switch app on the laptop? What do you mean? What's the problem? You just install it with the device mod, like you normally would. You install it like you normally would. Close the program. Nope. Come on, glitch out like the other one, please. Hold up. That one. Oopsie, wrong one. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and extract the textures. Computer Craft. Oh, I must have it in here actually. Source, main, resources. Ah. Okay. So let's create like a new... Yeah, how high does it need to go? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 13 high, perfect. Alright, we'll say base. Call it the base. Alright, then we need to go textures, image, import. Hold on. We've got to extract those textures. Hold on. Just to extract all. Whoa. Take your time. Also, a problem with the controller, its hitbox needs to be fixed. It's the same as the regular block. What do you mean? It's not going on my taskbar. Oh, you mean the controller in that thing? Yeah, I gotta fix up the hitbox. Don't worry, I gotta fix that up. It's not going on my taskbar. I want to install the app market. It should be. Maybe it's not being loaded. Have you got logs? I'm clicking in the app market, but it won't go on my taskbar. That's strange. You 100% sure it's not in there because it 100% should be. It's kind of strange if you ask me. Can you send me your startup log? What's your startup log? Does it say stuff about it actually? So it's 100% in the app market. Is that what you're saying? It's in the app market, but it's not. It's not like in the actual thing. Blocks. Oh wow. That was a lot of textures. Didn't think there was going to be a lot of textures. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, there's a lot of there's a lot of textures. Computer side. Okay. Here we go. Apply. Maybe like down. Is it like a computer bottom? Maybe it's just computer top. Apply. Yeah, whatever. That can be that. Unless there is a computer top and a computer bottom. I don't think there is. And we need to fix up this texture. I might have to make this one down one like that, right? Then let's push all these back down again. And then the up face is technically not going to be enabled. We'll call this base 1. And we'll create another one called base 2. Position is 12. Down, not enabled, up. Alright, there we go. Pretty cool so far. Obviously trying to theme it around computer craft here. Want to make it look like it's actually in the mod. I want to make it look like it's actually in the mod. Forget your hurricane. Don't even know the lyrics. D words, stop stalling in the dark. Okay, so we need a new, say, let's just call it modem. I'm back. Did I miss something? This is looking really good. Cheers. Okay, how do I find the startup log? Thanks. If you go to your Minecraft folder, there should be a folder called logs. Go to your Minecraft folder, go to logs, and there should be one like called latest or FML client latest. I think one of those. It should be like a text file. Alright, I need to figure out what this texture is. Whoa! Holy shoot. Alright, where's this modem? Break away, forget your hurricane. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the dark. I don't know what it uses for the side. Oh no, it uses the same texture. Hold up. Ah, interesting. Wireless modem face. That wasn't it. Oopsie, wireless modem face. This one. Apply. So up is actually like just like that, right? And then it just does this. Or down, it's not going to be enabled. It literally does that. It does like that. Looks pretty cool. We should have like the on and off state that the mod actually does when it's actually like connected, because that'd be cool to indicate that like something's connected to it. I'm listening to this while building a house in Minecraft, so I won't be participating in the chat. That's alright, dude. As long as you're here. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. Let me know what you think about this like computer craft integration. Who's gonna let the computer graphs dev know? Who's gonna let them know about this amazing add-on? So we're gonna have to fix something up here, but don't worry. Models. So we did a new directory, assets, computer craft, app. I should have called it CC app because it's way too long. Models, block. Okay, new directory. Communicator. Oh god. Alright, I gotta take this call. Hold up, guys. Lol, imagine if I did not mute that. I'm going to have to end the live stream real soon here, guys. I think we might continue with this potentially tomorrow. And see if we can actually finish it off. And maybe I'll get you guys to test it out. I already notified the dev, but Computer Graph is more of a group GitHub project now. The original dev only accepts PRs to update it and he doesn't do it himself. Okay. Well, okay, so this has been my plan ever since the start of the device mod. Is like, I've always wanted I want the device mod to be something like more than just a cool laptop you can play with. I want it to actually be like something that integrates with lots of mods. And one way to get exposure on this mod was to actually like hook it up with those big mods out there. So like computer craft, like this is going to change it because people are going to be like, I can just do everything through the laptop now. You can do everything through the laptop and manage multiple computers, which I don't think is possible yet. Galactic Craft full integration, oh my god. I don't know what would be something you can do with that. Can you eat through the laptop? No. Why are you going, Cray? Because I gotta go. It's important stuff. It's important stuff. Remote control ships. Oh my god. It's possible. 100%. Alright, so we've exported this. We just need to fix up this here. So we have to computer craft. Like that. Alright. We need to create a new package. Initialize. New Java class. Mod. Blocks. Oh yeah, what I was saying before about this whole thing, like, you know, to get exposure for this mod, Like, we need to integrate it with these popular mods and, you know, actually show how useful this mod really is. So, hope it's going to show it off really well. And, what was I going to say? I was going to say something else. Yeah, I don't know. But, like, the thing is, I'd love if, like, I don't know. I don't want to do that, though, but... yeah, I'd rather just have it as a separate app. I have an idea. I integrate with explosives, and you can program and make nukes with the click of a button. Oh my god. Whoever did those mini blocks from your furniture mod IRL is a true genius. Oh yeah, they were really awesome. I actually got in contact with the person, so I'm not gonna have to reply to him. Could you do what you did with your furniture mod? I don't know what you did, but you could do whatever you did there because it worked then. What do you mean? So mod blocks, public, static, block, communicator, import class, Minecraft block, public static, final. Why does it need a... that's not being used. Get rid of that. Let's save time. Hold up. We save time. We don't waste time. Why waste time? Oopsie, a block being registered does not have a registry name and could be successfully registered. Oh my god. English and couldn't be successfully registered. We should just say couldn't be registered. Oh my lord. Is that registration handler? Cool. Let's get rid of that log. Yeah, we're gonna be careful here. Because what registration is that calling? Okay, it's calling this one. I mean, it's not too bad that we're using the sub items, but I should really do my own imp. Can I send pictures of rundown buildings to apply? It appears you upload an image of somebody else's map. See, that's what I'm saying. I literally said submit. Like, do not attempt to join the server just because you're wanting to talk to me. I'm trying to be real here. We're trying to like, you'd understand. We're trying to make a good server here. We're trying to make a good server, and I wanna get you guys on. If you're a good builder, I want you on here, and I wanna make a good server so everybody can have a fun time. And we don't want people that are submitting fake stuff and that type of stuff just to get on to the server or to play with me or something like that. Like, I'm just being real. Like, it's not being productive if we're getting people on that can't build. GDC, Game Developers Conference? Nah, I'm not going there. You're fast with this. They call me Mr. Fast Man. That didn't sound right, but... Ah! That's supposed to be mod blocks. Make sure that's the right one, yep. Okay, cool. Holy shit, that was weird in my ears. Holy shoot, that was weird in my ears. Yeah. Slight issue here. Alright, so I think we just need to create a new item, file, communicator, .json. Where's Jason at? Where is Jason? Parent is computer craft app block commu. Alright, there we go. Let's load the game back up. And we should successfully have it in our world. If not, we've done something horribly wrong. I'm just getting ahead of myself. I just like literally I feel like I've added it, but it's probably something crucial I've missed out. And there is already. I missed the block state. I missed the block state, guys. I think it's block states. Block states, my dude. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's create a new facing model. I think it's new file communicator.json. Yeah, it threw an error. I saw it. I seen it. It threw an error. It couldn't find it. I think it's variance. Off the top of my mind, facing equals north. Alright. North, east, southwest, west side, north side, crayfish side. Alright, let's align this all up nicely. And I think it's model, blah blah blah. Could use a forge block state, but for such a simple model, we don't need to really. I'd only use forge block state if it was like I had more than one variant. And I think it's computer craft app block communicator. I think. Hold on, let's double check. Block states laptop. Oh no, it's just communicator. I think it already looks for it. It already looks in the block directory for it. It's gonna take a few seconds. Okay. Being a Boy Scout doesn't mean anything. Again, I'm a trustworthy man. I am a Boy Scout. Cray, can you make the furniture mod blocks die compatible with biomes a plenty dies? Maybe. What do you mean, like the wood types? Are you meaning the wood types? Maybe I can. That would be pretty good. No. What do you mean dies? Oh, you mean like furniture, like the dyes that are added? I don't know. I could potentially do it, but I could also do like wood types as well if you really wanted that. So you could have different types of wood furniture. My catfish Garfield just died today. Oh my god. Rest in pizza, dude. Rest in pizza, catfish. Was it? You had a legit catfish. Holy shoot, dude. How old was a haunted corpse? Can we get a rip for haunted corpse catfish right now, guys? Can we get a rip? Like, this is a legit rip right now. Rest in pepperoni. Give him a rip. Rip. He named a fish Garfield. Rest in Park. Rest in Fish. He shall live a good life in fish heaven. He's in a better place now. Nah, dude, I feel for you. I feel for you. I feel for you, dude. Rest in lasagna. Scout Law, a Boy Scout is trustworthy, helpful, friendly, curious, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent. Didn't say Sarah. Reverent. Just rest anywhere, please. Alright, let's have a look. Ah, hello, communicator. People were like, what is this block? What is this block? Oh, we gotta fix something up, but... What is this? What is this block? I mean, it fits into the mod, kind of. Do you guys think it fits into the mod? Alright, we need to go ahead and just fix up block device. Oh, this actually needs to be a block device. Whoops. Whoops. My bad. Block device. Get rid of that, because this already has a facing property, and I think it already adds in everything that we need. Oh, it's the colored version. Wait, what? Get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. I don't think. Get rid of that. Block device. Does it already do that? Oh, that's weird. Alright, whatever. Alright, there we go. Code red. If you want to get in contact with me, send me good pictures and I'll get in contact with you. That's kind of how it works. Can we take it easy in the chat, please? Don't gang up on somebody. Hey guys, please create a garage mod and add a Lamborghini Ferrari in the vehicle mod, please. Create a spawner for vehicles. A mob spawner for vehicles, oh my god. That'd be hilarious. That would be hairyless. Hairyless. Alright, tile entity. Tile entity device. Forgot to do this. Get device name. We need to add our own implementation. Oh. Wait, what's this used for then? Oh, if it has custom name, get device name. Oh. Communicator update. I need to fix this where it implements update. We don't want that. We don't want that. Make garages randomly generate in villages and there's a car inside you can steal. That'd be pretty cool. What is your email, Mr. Crayfish? I don't give out my email. I told you already, if you want to get in contact with me, send pictures to me on Discord or something and I get in contact with you. But if you want to get noticed, post good pictures. Post good pictures of your work, I should say. Post good pictures of your own work and own interior designs and I'll get in contact with you. It can be on Twitter. It can be on something. As long as you can send it to me, it can work. Don't ask to PM me as well, because if you're good, you'll get noticed. If you're not, then yeah, that's that. So we've still got a bit of work to do on this. Like, there's a lot. We're gonna make it so I can connect up these to the devices. I sent Mr. Cavish a pixel art image and now I'm a server admin. Pixel art for device mod and one of the primary managers of PUBG and some other stuff. That's how it works. Pretty much. He sent good work. Sent good pixel art images. I'm like, dude, hop on a board. Hop on a board. Hey, I'm about to tweet you a pic of my house so far using your mods. Okay. Well, I'll check it out after the live stream. I'll check him out after the live stream. Communicator. New directory. Lang. New file. en_us.lang. Tile. Communicator.name equals. What we're gonna do as well is add information to it. I think we can do it here. Add information, yeah. We're gonna do string split equals font renderer dot Minecraft.get. Is this client side only? I'm pretty sure this is. Yeah, okay, it's only client side only, okay. Split. Get split. There's like a way to get an array. List formatted string to width. And we can just say tooltip. Tooltip dot add all. And we're gonna say string equals used to communicate between used to communicate between used to communicate computers. Used to communicate computers. Used to communicate from. Used to communicate as to. Used to communicate computers. I don't know how this is wrong. Used to communicate computers to routers. Used to communicate. Used to handle the communication from a computer to a router from Mr. Crayfish's device mod. Connect. We're also going to do like a hold shift for info. Use to handle communication from computer to a router in Mr. Crayfish's connect. Connect computers. Connect computers up. Connect. Hang on. Connect. Connect multiple. Connect multiple computers to this. Yeah, then connect to using an Ethernet cable. Alright. Can you still allow Minecraft accounts with mods? No. No. You can't. I've actually looked into the code, and basically when you start up Minecraft, what happens is that Minecraft starts, you enter in your password, it authenticates it, then it actually removes everything from memory before the game even starts, so you can't obviously get access to passwords. You're probably curious to why I was looking into that, but like it was for something else. I was doing something else at the time. I think I was trying to figure out, I was doing stuff with core mods. On some reason I had to look at that. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm trying to get all your passwords. No. That's illegal, by the way. That's illegal, by the way, guys. BT dubs. Very illegal. When you're releasing vehicle mods 0.2.1, please, I am eager to play with the new and improved ATVs. They'll be coming out soon. If you got the, I think it's if you got the Cub G pack, it's already in it, so you can kind of extract it from it if you really wanted to. Used to communicate a terminal to laptop from CDM. Is that what they're called? Should I call it a terminal instead? Yeah, use from a terminal. Connect multiple. Is terminal a better word to use? Use to handle from a terminal to a router. Misconnection device mode. Connect multiple terminals. Use handle communication. Use to handle the from. Connect. I just need to have keywords in there. I need to have them keywords. I think Ethernet cable I did an add information type thing. Add information. Hold shift for how to. Maybe this might be more of a this. It's more of to do with here. Let's say width is 50. Is that going to be too short? Ooh, you're dead to me. Asking Cray won't do anything. I have already proved that you downloaded the map. It is also possible to make a mod to copy virus to startup. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. All I know is the password is removed before any mods get loaded. Can you make the gun mod in the gun be able to break ice? Not compact, just regular ice. Yeah, I might do that. Because you can do glass, but I feel like maybe ice might be helpful. I don't know. Whoa, yeah, that is did you guys see that? Yeah, I think that's enough. Let's do like 150. Maybe let's get rid of this. Get rid of that because that's more of a how-to thing. Used to handle the communication from terminals to our router in Mr. Cray, which is device mode. And then we'll add like a to-do or how-to type thing. Maybe let's change this around, maybe like 160. Because Because like it doesn't fit in too well. It's kind of awkward. There we go. That's a bit cleaner, to be honest. It's a bit more clean. Start by place this block down. Okay, use start by not by it'd be cool if there was a cable, but I don't know how to do cables. Cables are confusing, to be honest. I think like a cable thing would be pretty cool to have. Like, so kind of like this, right? The thing is, I can't communicate through these native things because like they don't work like I want it to. Like, I don't even think we can use this cable as well. Like, it just doesn't work. Can you check if like a computer has like a wireless module thing on it? Is it possible to check if they have like a wireless modem on it? Like, how does that work? Is it possible to know if, like, if I go into here, is there any way that I can determine if, like, there's actually a wireless module attached? They do. Alright, hold up. Peripherals. Ah! There we go, peripherals, top modem. So what I could do is like make it so people have to like have like at least a wireless modem on it for it to actually work with the communicator. Because that would make more sense, to be honest. So, for instance, we have like, you know, communicator here. Like, it makes sense to make it so it actually does that. There is, but you'd have to code a program in Lua. Why would you have to do that? Not looked at code before? Have you ever looked at code before? Let's say block computer. Let's say tile computer. Tile computer. Tile computer base. Let's have a look. Or is it actually a program in Lua? Well, we can always write our own thing in code to check for it. I guess it doesn't check for the peripherals. Here we go. So like there's this weird is peripheral blocked on site. I don't know. Computer set peripheral. Oh, okay, here we go. So server computer. Set peripheral, here we go. Amp computer set peripheral. Alright, so it looks like there is a thing for it. There we go, peripherals. I'm sure there's like a method. Maybe there's a way to... I'll be able to make a way to check if there's a peripheral on a side. I don't have to program in Lua, dude. It's called programming literally in code. Alright, I don't think I'm going to finish this off today, but tomorrow I think we'll be able to finish it off. So tomorrow what we've got to do is create how can we... How does wireless modems work? How to wireless? Because what we could do, just to keep maybe computer craft feel. Common computer core network peripheral. Ah, here we go. Modem. Wireless modem peripheral. Get range. Ah. We should respect a lot of the behavior of we need to respect a lot of the behavior of computer craft, I feel, to keep that feel of computer craft. Tile modem base. So is attached. How does it actually communicate? Wireless modem peripheral. Modem peripheral. Set network. Oh. Maybe we could make it like a network thing. I'll have to look at it. It communicates with sockets. What would happen if I asked you to PR GitWeb onto the new branch of the device mod called GitWeb? It can happen. I think create, like, if it was going to be a new branch, could like new branch, new, like, it'd have to be a new branch called internet or something like that. Internet. Internet. So how does it... So you say set network. I think I'm going to have to create an advanced communicator as well. I think an advanced communicator as well, because maybe you want to, because apparently this can go in, is interdimensional. Can like communicate across dimensions. Wireless network, get universal. Oh. So I don't get this. I have to really look into how this works. I have to look into how this actually works. Because I really want to make respect that Internet Initiative branch. Oh my god. Just call it Internet. Internet branch. Snap the like button, turn on your post notifications. Can you make an Easter decoration in your main channel? Oh yeah, Easter's coming up, hey. When's Easter anyway? I don't even know. Shows how up to date I am. Alrighty guys, I think that's going to end it off today. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Tomorrow we're going to try and fix it up, and then we're going to also make sure we can also make like an advanced communicator as well. Technically right now we should be able to do like, we should be able to do this. Huh? Why is that not connecting? Maybe we didn't reload it. That should work. Oh, it's the tile entity network device. My bad. Oh no. My bad. The tile entity network device. Wi-Fi block. Sorry, just got here. No, we're creating a communicator so we can communicate between Computercraft and my mod. So basically what I've got to do is create like a communicator block, which, because like right now it's impossible to connect up a actual terminal straight to a router, so we have to have like a middleman. Imagine the whole part of the API focused on detecting and monitoring RF stuff from the laptop. Like, you could do all that, pretty much. Monitor everything from your laptop. So we should now... This should work, I don't know why it's not. There we go. And there we go, we just literally connected up that communicator with the router. We can even connect up the laptop like that. I'm getting annoyed there's a dirt block there. There we go. OCD satisfied. So, yeah, already connected. I mean, we can't really see, but what we want to be able to do next is be able to connect this up to there, but I want to respect the behavior of Computercraft and its networks, so it keeps that kind of feel, of it. Like this might be like, because see, I think there's like a universal network, wireless network. I don't know how it worked. So like here, like get universal. Let's see where that's being used. Computercraft, wireless modem peripherals. See how it says here, return that. Hopefully we can, I don't know if it's even possible, to be honest. Oh no, this is abstract. Hold up, what extends this? Tile wireless modem. Tile advanced. Like, because you can definitely say set network. The problem is that this modem peripheral is then like here for instance, and then it says get network and we say get universal. Like it just goes onto like a universal network. I'm assuming you can create your own different networks. But then I'm assuming you can just change around the network manually. Like where's that called? Set location, switch network. How do we actually create it, or do we have to create our own peripheral? Oh, we might have to create our own peripheral. So we don't have like this set network type thing. What the heckin' does ASMR mean? And I'm assuming this is the computer. Yeah. I think. I don't know how exactly it works. So I think it actually... I think you can attach... I think it attaches the computer. I don't know where that's called from. Attach. Peripheral API. Attach this. So where's... Attach this. iComputer access. Oh. Interface passive peripherals by computers or turtles. Tile computer. I'm just like going off topic here now. I'm like going way too far. iComputer tile. iComputer tile. Our terminal tile. Is there like a get redstone connectivity? Nope. Update. Create server computer. iNetwork thing. Is there anywhere to do with like network and setting the network? IPA environment, get environment. Oh. So that redirects back to the I don't know how exactly it works. That's why I gotta figure out how this all works. Do you think you can make an add-on for the RC cards that lets you look through a compass? That adds something that looks like a camera that lets you use the laptop to control it. It's possible, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Alright, lads. That's gonna end it off today. We're gonna have to figure this out. It's very confusing. Very confusing. Oh. Get set, get peripheral. Like, we definitely need to make it communicate. I just gotta figure out how we can do that. I gotta figure out how we can do that. It's a big challenge. So this and this wireless modem need to communicate, and then you should be able to get access to the actual computer. Alright guys, thanks for coming along. I'm going to do Twitter shoutouts. Where's my water? Oh, my mouth is dry. I'm doing Twitter shoutouts right now. Lock out. Where is this? Hold on. Alright, we got shout outs here. Shout out to Austin Kelly, Donovan Wood, Jedi Noah, Fabi50, Owen Vowles, and F Saint Graph. Thank you guys for the support. Someone created a cool picture. Love Cray. Oh my god. Alright, cheers guys. Cheers for the support there over on Twitter. Thank you guys for coming along. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button, snap it right in half. Follow me on my socials. Follow me on the socials. And yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.